Hello everyone, Commander Hawk here, and I'm here with another review for a weapon, and it is at University Point. So it's at a bank, apparently. I got some... Okay. There we go. It's at the bank, over here. So you literally go to the right. And unfortunately you have to have a master lockpick to get this. Otherwise you'll just have to leave it until you actually get it at a higher level. But it is worth it, I believe. What are you doing, Curie? What are you doing? Ooh, 10mm pistol. I don't need it, but I'll take it. Yes, it's lock. Ooh, synth. Yeah, the synths don't attack me simply because oh jeez. So if you didn't see in the last episode, I got this pistol, and apparently I'm meant to go through here somehow. I don't need that. Yeah. Shoot. Well, you have to go down there, and I don't know how to. There's no door. Literally no door. Okay, so let's try and find a way to get down there. So there might be another way to get in there. Hopefully there is. Because I want to see this weapon. Aha! So yeah, just go to the left of the building. Oh. Novice, I think it is. Come on. Really? There we go. So that's a novice lock. Oh yeah, right, so yeah. So you go to this terminal, sorry about that guys. I just lost where I was. I'm not very good at doing these. In Fallout 3 I was better, but not good now. Sorry about this guys, really sorry. My luck's high, I think, so it should help. But it's not helping a lot. Be careful, yeah, sure. There we go. So you unlock that with a novice lockpick. No. Oh. So you go to University Credit Union, which is a top bank. And this is where I tried to get in before, which I couldn't. And there's some bobby pins, some alcohol, a safe, radio, and some cash registers which are already looted. You go down this area here. Oh, gas canister, dirty tan suit, no thanks. Actually, technical documents for that science guy, Coca-Cola. Open a security case, and this is another novice lock for a computer. Let's see how long this will take. Oh, so I don't think it'll be that easy for you guys though. It's a bank. Ooh, so did I notice in this one here? This one. Oh, master lockpick. Oh. For here, right here. Yep. No. I got it. So So you unlock this one here, and there'll be just a button there. Be a secret room out here. And there it is, the Prodotype UP77 Limitless Potential. So there's a damage of 26, it uses cells, fire height 44, 47 for the range, 37 for the accuracy, weight 4.9. It's got a beam split and just take the fusion cells out here, like so. Look, this is another rare gun, and this is apparently unlimited ammo. I guess unlimited ammo capacity. Oh, so you don't have to reload, but you still, have to have the ammo for it, which is a bit disappointing. Oh, what classic workbench. I obviously can't do this, but that ups the damage. Boost capacity, reduces ammo capacity, which don't think it'll do anything. Max is overcharge capacity. You need science 3. Improve superior damage. Now have all those. Barrel. You can have long barrel, automatic, sniper, short. Improved long, improved so and so on. You can have the stocks, so you can have it like a full stock marksman, like a regular one. Improved sight, you have scopes, and a splitter. You can have different ones like that. Depends what you fancy. Also, this does up the damage a little bit. So do what you want with it, but this is almost capacity, and I have 304 fusion cells, okay, and so yeah, this is it for this episode, guys. I hope you liked it. The weapon is called the Prodotype UP77 Limitless Potential, and yeah, it's at the university point. You have to go to the point I've shown you in the video further back. So go there, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen, but goodbye.